It is a good day to have a great day, and we're having a great day because we are here at Baha Bay's Waterpark for the very first time.
I didn't know the name.
You all see Ronnie? I almost say Volcano Bay. But this is our first time here in beautiful Nassau Bahamas. Well, no, it's not our first time here. We live here. But this is our first time here at this water park. I know we've been missing for a while. Our last video, Margaritaville. We just want to give you guys a big shout out for the... I think we have over 7,000 views now.
It goes up every day.
Every day. So we're here today. We just want to tell you guys thank you for that vlog. We hope that this vlog gets the same amount of views. If this is your first time watching our videos, please be sure to give us a like, give us a subscription if you enjoy videos like this. I forgot to mention, I'm joined here with Mommy and Symphy and Nadia. Tell them hi, Mommy. Yeah, she missed Margaritaville, but she's here at Baha Bay. Now, like I said, this is our first time here. We don't know what to expect. We're all just here for it all. We can take you guys on the slide. What is he doing, y'all? We can take you guys on the slide. But enough talking. Let's get on the slides. Welcome to Baha Bay. So they give you these little wristbands that you have to use to check in. Kind of like Volcano Bay. Alright, thank you. Mommy, what you picking in Baha Bay already?
Picking some cocoa plums.
You all even yet in the park, yet Mommy done picking cocoa plum. So these are grown here in the Bahamas, right? You know what they good for?
I have no idea.
But they're good for something to eat. Nadia, tell the camera hi. Hello. Alright guys, so that's the entrance that we just came out of. They have two entrances, one for non-guests and one for resort guests. And as soon as you enter into the lockers and restroom are to the left. I know I get a lot of questions asking about lockers. Yes, lockers are here and you will have to pay a fee. I'll figure out what that fee is. But lockers are here to the left with the restrooms. So immediately as you walk into the park, this is the kids section that they have available, and oh man, this is so much slides that they have here for the kids section. I can't wait to get in here with my nephew because I'll be running up and down in here as well. I think it's called the Stingray's Cove. And look at the slides they've got. Wow. Alright y'all, so we headed on our first slide of the day. I think this is called the Cyclone Rush. Ready, Ronnie? Yeah. Sophie, you ready? Yeah. Alright. Yes, working. Yes, working. Yes, man. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Alright y'all. Ready? Yeah. You all ready? Here we go, hold on tight, hold on. Excellent video. Alright y'all, so we just got off Cyclone Rush on that side. Now we're headed to the Hammerhead, second slide. Ready? Alright y'all, so we just did the two family slides. What were they, Ronnie? The Hammerhead and the Cyclone Rush. How was it?
Wild and fun.
Wild and fun? All around was screaming like he was crazy. Now Mommy says she's feeling a little pecked, so we're gonna see if we could find a little daiquiri or something. They also got showers all around the park for the wet floor. I mean for the hot floor, because bear in mind, this isn't floors like in Orlando. These floors are very hot. So when you come in, just be mindful of that. Another thing I should mention too, if you're a non-guest and you want towels, you will have to get them over at the guest services. I think I saw a sign said that they were $10 for the day. It's not included with your day pass ticket. So that's just an FYI if you're coming here. Alright y'all, we getting Mango strawberries here from the sugar factory. And if you wanted to see, this is what their menu is looking like. Margaritas and daiquiris and goblets. Big cups of daiquiris and your little gummy. How does it taste? Sweet. Look at you always gonna do his face. I know what's going on in his life. So yeah, y'all, got our daiquiris from the sugar factory. Okay, be sure to check that video out. I'll leave it up in the top right corner and in the description below. We had an amazing time there at the sugar factory. You eat the daiquiri, Nadia? Sock. How it tastes for me? They all having fun? Tell me what you thought about the 2 slides. Yo, she tired walking up them stairs. She blew what? She's blown. She stopped a couple times. Look at Ronnie. Get hot. Oh. Yo, so we headed on the racing slide now. The racer slide. Dual racing slide. Oh, we can go? Oh, all right. Sorry, we cheated. So we're going for some food now. We're here at the Umani Burger. So we'll show you the food when we get that. Alright y'all, so this is our food. Got the loaded fries. You know Ronnie like his chicken tenders. And I got me it's called a Umani Burger. Oh no, that's the fries. Oh, that's the burger there. So yeah, now we're going to munch up and enjoy ourselves. Got a nice view, the wave pool. And we got the whole top lounge to ourselves. So right below is where we got our food. We came up those stairs right here.
Right up the stairs.
Yeah. And now we got the whole lounge to ourselves. Whole family munching and eating. No symphony hungry, look on. You have souvenir cups that are available here at Baha Mar. Once you buy them, you get free refills all day. Oh, I got mine. Alright, so they have these park maps that are all around the park to show you just how big the park is. Now they have a lot of stuff to do. A lot of things. So we are right here at the wave pool. Alright. Another thing I should mention is we do have access to the beach. Oh, we got a bit of a storm behind us there. But look at the beach. We do have access to the beach. Water is so nice. Wow. Water is really nice. Yep. Wow. And this is the infinity pool. I don't think we have access to that, but this is an infinity pool. We call it the Baha Bay Beach Club. And this is the beach. Man, this is nice. Alright, so this is the next kids section. Because we have inclement weather coming in, I just want to show you guys the slides. This is one of the kids sections here. They have all the little slides that they can go on. I think I see about 5 slides or so. You know, that the little kiddies can ride on. And a mini kiddie pool all the way on that side. But like I say, all the slides are closed right now because of the inclement weather coming in. Alright y'all, so while we had my nephew on some of the few little kiddie slides, I'm so dark in the sun. We see where they reopened the slides, thankfully. Duran is afraid, so I'm going to head to the 2 tallest slides in the park.
Put the camera on me. I just ate a whole leap of food. Now, if I go on that, I might feel the food.
He ain't gonna feel no food.
And I don't feel no food. Anybody with me?
You nobody with you. So we are excited. I'm excited. This is the highest slide in the park. I don't even know how tall it is, but I'm gonna check it out. Wish me luck, y'all. Alright, y'all, pray my strength. This is what I go on next. These top 2 slides. Gee whiz. Alright. Y'all pray my strength. I could see. Listen.
3, 2, 1, launch!
Alright guys, so I just conquered the Thunderball and the Devil's Backbone. Amazing slides out of this world. Had a wonderful time. I enjoyed the both of them. But the one to the top, that wins the cake. That's not for the weak. It's really not for the weak, because the air time you get on that is crazy. Yo, Ronnie was scared. Ronnie was scared. Why you don't do it? Your back was hurting?
No. Right?
Yeah, his back was hurting. He was afraid, and he didn't want, well, he was afraid that his back was going to get red.
Yeah.
On the slides, but only on the one that goes straight down. I think I felt it a bit, but the drop slide really wasn't anything to it. I had a wonderful time on those 2 slides. Like I said, they're not for the faint of heart, but hey, if you're up for the challenge, y'all know me, I don't back down. Did it, conquered it, gotta get out here and check it out, man. Alright y'all, so these 2 slides are, I'm not sure what they're called. Oh, Pirate's Plunge. Yeah, Pirate's Plunge. Now for both of these slides, you must be able to swim, because you see, it drops you into a 12-foot deep pool. I won't be getting on these ones today, so I don't feel like bubbling. But they're here for you. I've heard that they're pretty good. Right next to the Pirate Plunge, they got a wave, surf wave pool. Oh, flow rider. They got a flow rider here. Remember we did one of these back at Margaritaville. The 3 of us did one. We had a great and awesome time. Like I said, please be sure to check out that video. You'll see where the 3 of us are riding this. Alright y'all, and so we had a good and awesome day here at Baha Bay. I know it may be a short video, but overall I had a fantastic day. Ronnie?
Overall, they died.
You tired? Mommy, you had fun?
Wonderful.
I am so disappointed, Mommy, because she didn't get to ride anything. So I told her to ride one slide.
Still had fun.
Anyway, Simphy, you had fun?
I had fun, I just tired.
You just tired, eh? Those steps were all out. But y'all, we had an awesome and fantastic time. If you're looking for any information with regards to Baha Bay, I'll be sure to leave it in the link in the description. But I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below so that you can find all your information with lockers, times, tickets, and all of that. But we're gonna wrap this video up here. You all see my nephew. He just in his little phone. But with all that being said, we're gonna wrap this video up. Always remember, guys, all things are possible
When you believe.
So we'll see you in the next vlog. Take care.